Hi friends, it's April and today we are going to start with 100 days of drawing challenge. What is this challenge? I'll talk about more. If you want to learn drawing, what is the easiest way to do it? If you want to learn anything, what is the easiest way to do it?
By doing it every day.
By doing it every day, right? So if you do something every day, consistently, you become good with it. And that is exactly what we are going to do in this 100 days. In the next 100 days, we are going to take it up for what? We are going to learn drawing
And sketching.
and doodling or whatever we want to for the next 100 days. And to keep it easy, what we do is we do it only for 6 minutes. 6 minutes of drawing challenge that we do every day for the next 100 days. And to make it even easier, your drawings need not be good. And I know that you will think, where would you get the ideas for 100 days of drawings? What would you draw? What would you doodle? What would you sketch? Well, we'll be making it easy for you for all the next 100 days. Are you with us? If you are with us, then do not forget to follow us on Instagram and tag us all the 100 drawings, 100 days of drawings that you are going to do. Tag us at the rate Kids Fun Learn Club and hashtag Kids Fun Learn Club, and also join our Facebook group where you can show to the world that yes, you have it in you to draw the best drawings that you can. So at the end of 100 days, what do we end up with? 100
Drawings.
100 drawings. Do you want to participate?
Yes.
Are you in? Parikshit, are you in?
Yes.
Do you want to be a part of this challenge?
Yes.
Are you ready to draw for the next 100 days?
Yes.
Are you there? Yes? With us? Answer it in the comments that you are with us, you are joining us for this 100 days of challenge. 6 minutes drawing challenge. Should be very easy. You just need to join in. Follow us on Instagram. Join the private Facebook group. And we will have a lot of fun together for the next 100 days. See you there. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.